Hello everyone! Before I begin this video, I would like to welcome each and every one of you to my channel, and I hope that the information that I'm about to share with you will benefit you in some way, so let's get started and enjoy. Did you know that the tiny blueberry packs more nutritional punch per serving than almost any other fruit on the planet? These small but mighty berries have been called a superfood for good reason, and today we're diving deep into 5 incredible health benefits that will make you want to add blueberries to your daily routine immediately. Before we jump into these amazing benefits, let me ask you something. When was the last time you ate a handful of blueberries? If it's been a while, you're missing out on one of nature's most powerful health boosters. Blueberries aren't just delicious, they're like tiny medicine capsules disguised as fruit. Let's start with benefit number 1, and this one will blow your mind. Blueberries are absolutely loaded with antioxidants, specifically a group called anthocyanins. These are the compounds that give blueberries their beautiful deep blue color, but they do so much more than just make the berries look pretty. Antioxidants are your body's defense system against free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and disease. Think of free radicals as rust forming on metal, slowly breaking down your body from the inside. Antioxidants are like a protective coating that prevents this rust from forming. Blueberries contain more antioxidants than almost any other commonly consumed fruit or vegetable. In fact, studies have shown that just 1 cup of blueberries provides the same antioxidant power as 5 servings of other fruits and vegetables combined. This means that eating blueberries regularly can help protect your cells from damage, potentially reducing your risk of cancer, heart disease, and premature aging. The second amazing benefit of blueberries is their incredible impact on brain health and memory. This is where things get really exciting, especially if you're concerned about maintaining sharp mental function as you age. Research has consistently shown that blueberries can improve memory, enhance learning ability, and even slow down age-related cognitive decline. The anthocyanins we talked about earlier actually cross the blood-brain barrier, which is a protective shield around your brain that keeps most substances out. Once these powerful compounds reach your brain, they accumulate in areas responsible for learning and memory. Studies with both animals and humans have demonstrated remarkable results. In one study, older adults who consumed blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks showed significant improvements in memory tests compared to those who didn't consume blueberries. Another study found that children who drank a blueberry smoothie performed better on attention and memory tasks throughout the day. Scientists believe blueberries work by improving communication between brain cells, protecting neurons from damage, and even promoting the growth of new brain cells. Some researchers are so impressed with these findings that they're calling blueberries brain food of the future. Moving on to benefit number 3, blueberries are fantastic for your heart health. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death worldwide, so anything that can protect your cardiovascular system deserves serious attention. Blueberries support heart health in multiple ways. First, they help reduce blood pressure. The anthocyanins in blueberries help relax blood vessel walls, allowing blood to flow more easily and reducing the strain on your heart. Studies have shown that people who eat blueberries regularly have lower blood pressure compared to those who don't. Second, blueberries help improve cholesterol levels. They can increase your good HDL cholesterol while helping to prevent the oxidation of bad LDL cholesterol. When LDL cholesterol becomes oxidized, it's more likely to stick to artery walls and form dangerous plaques. Third, blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties that benefit your entire cardiovascular system. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to heart disease, and the compounds in blueberries help reduce this inflammation throughout your body. Regular blueberry consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of heart attacks, with some studies showing up to a 32% reduction in heart attack risk among people who eat blueberries regularly. The fourth incredible benefit is blueberries' ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. This might surprise you since blueberries are naturally sweet, but they actually have a relatively low glycemic index and contain compounds that can improve insulin sensitivity. The fiber in blueberries slows down the absorption of sugars, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. Additionally, the anthocyanins in blueberries appear to improve how your cells respond to insulin, the hormone that helps regulate blood sugar. Several studies have shown that people who eat blueberries regularly have better blood sugar control and a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. In one large study following over 200,000 people for more than 20 years, those who ate blueberries at least twice a week had a 23% lower risk of developing diabetes. For people who already have diabetes, incorporating blueberries into their diet as part of a balanced meal plan can help improve blood sugar management and reduce complications associated with the condition. Finally, benefit number 5 focuses on blueberries' role in supporting digestive health and boosting your immune system. Your gut health is crucial for overall wellness, and blueberries provide excellent support for your digestive system. Blueberries are rich in fiber, which feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria play essential roles in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to better mood, stronger immunity, and even improved brain function. The prebiotic fiber in blueberries specifically promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria, like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, while helping to suppress harmful bacteria. This creates a healthier balance in your digestive system. From an immune system perspective, the vitamin C and antioxidants in blueberries help strengthen your body's natural defenses against infections and diseases. The anti-inflammatory properties also support immune function by reducing chronic inflammation that can weaken immunity over time. So there you have it, 5 amazing health benefits of blueberries that make them truly deserving of their superfood status. From protecting your brain and heart to supporting blood sugar control and boosting immunity, these little berries pack an incredible nutritional punch that can significantly impact your health and longevity. The best part? Blueberries are delicious, versatile, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or try juicing, which is another great way to consume blueberries. Mixing them with other delicious and nutritious fruits and vegetables will give you a different and healthy way to enjoy them, or simply enjoy them as a healthy snack. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Until the next video, have a wonderful day. Goodbye.